What's going goodies? Yeah man, welcome back to your girl channel. I don't know, today we're going to be making some cow skin, beef skin soup. So yes, I'm using the frozen cut beef skin, but if you have any cow skin at all, yeah, don't dash it away. Yeah, what you do. I know if you're back home in Jamaica, normally when you kill the cow, you take it and scrape the skin or burn it on the fire and scrape it off. Yeah man, and clean it up nicely, put it to dry. Delicious, nutritious. Cow skin have a lot of health benefits, and we're going to be cooking up a delicious meal with it today. Alright goodies, so you see me just wash the cow skin and try to clean it up as best as possible, and I'm gonna pressure cook this for 1 hour. I'm going to add some pimento seeds and some crushed garlic, and that is all I'm pressure cooking it with. So I'm just going to put this on now. It's in my instant pot, 1 full hour, because I want it to cook nice and soft to boil our soup. Alright goodies, so you see, while the cow skin are going pressure cook, we'll go ahead and we'll prepare some, we call them food, but some vegetables to put into the soup pot. So I have some corn, carrots, pumpkin, okra, and some Irish potato. You can put yam if you have yam. You can put breadfruit. You can put cassava. You can put cocoa. You can put dasheen. Whatever you have like those, you can put it in your soup. But I'm gonna work with what I have, and it's gonna be awesome and delicious just the same. Alright goodies, so as you can see, I transferred the cow skin to my pot that I'm cooking the soup in. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to add the pumpkins and the carrots and stuff that I cut up before and let it boil. And when that cooked now, well, halfway, we're going to season up our pot, okay? So goodies, I've added the vegetables that I've cut up, and I also add some thyme, some scallion, green onion, whatever you have, and I add 1 hot scotch bonnet green pepper right here. So I'm just gonna allow this to cook for about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna come back, we're gonna season, and we're gonna add whatever else we're gonna add. Okay. Alright my people, so we just add some dumplings to the pot, and what we're gonna do now, we're gonna season the pot. So I'm going to add a Maggi cube, just 1 Maggi cube, and I have some Maggi fish seasoning. You can use the all-purpose. I don't have any all-purpose, and I'm adding some to my pot. I'm adding some chicken seasoning, and what I'm gonna do now, I'm just going to add, you want to split it up, you don't want it to lump. And then I'm going to add the noodles. I am going to add a pumpkin beef soup mix. And I'm also going to be adding a chicken cock soup mix. So I'm adding 2 packs. And you want to spin that up so it doesn't lump. And what we're gonna do, we're not gonna add any salt or anything to the pot as yet. We're just gonna wait until it boils down, and then we're gonna taste the pot, and then if you want any more seasoning or any salt or anything like that, you can add it. But I also love to add, if you're not adding any garlic, you can add 2 cloves of garlic. But if you're not adding any garlic, you can add some garlic powder, and that's what I'm adding here now, some garlic powder. And just spin that in. So as you can see, the pot looking good already. So we're just going to cover this and leave it to boil, and then we're going to come back and see what's going on. Goodies, so the soup almost ready. See all that thyme leaf. Just I'll get a little spin so it doesn't stick in the pot. But as you can see, everything looking good. Look at those dumplings. Oh my goodness, my brother made these. That's why they're so nice and big. Because I make dumplings so big. Especially when I put it in soup, we make them very small. But them look delicious. What is soup without dumpling? And the cow skin. The cow skin nice and soft and cook. As you can see, anytime you see jelly like this, see there? Cut easily. Cut easily because it was pressured for 1 hour. So everything looking beautiful. Look at the soup rich and nice. We'll give about 5 more minutes and then we're gonna turn off the pot and enjoy our soup. Alright, good, this time I'm gonna take off the soup now. I don't want to thick up anymore because I don't too like when my soup thick. But if I want it thick up, feel free to leave it a little bit more. So this is a final result. Let me know what you think about my cow skin soup. If you're gonna try it, let me know. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so yet, and turn on your post notification bell. Lots more interesting recipe coming. Alright, until next time, God bless you.